Sizing is a one-step process, with Mirage FX covering a wide range of facial characteristics in one mask. So whoever your patients are, Mirage FX is the one for all. Mirage FX is everything you've been waiting for, all rolled into one. Fitting is effortless and effective. Mirage FX is intuitive to fit and adjust, so fitting takes virtually no time at all. With its flexible winged forehead support, the Mirage FX moves with the patient, providing greater adjustability of seal and comfort without the fuss. It really is that simple. Before fitting the mask, remove the elbow by pressing the side tabs and pulling away from the mask. Connect the elbow to the device's air tubing. With both lower headgear straps released, hold the mask against the face and pull the headgear over the head like this. Bringing the lower straps below the ears, loop the headgear into the lower hooks of the mask frame. Unfasten the Velcro and pull the upper headgear straps evenly until they are comfortable. Then repeat this step with the lower headgear straps. Finally, attach the combined elbow and air tubing to the mask by pressing the side tabs and pushing into the mask frame. That's all there is to it. The mask is now fully fitted and should be positioned like this.